Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix or how to recover your hacked YouTube channel. So let's just get straight into the video without wasting further time. The first you want to do is simply open any browser that you prefer using and then head to this site right over here, which is g.co/recover. Just like that. And once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page, which is accounts.google.com. All you need to do is simply enter your email or phone, click on next, and then they're going to send you a verification code to that mobile number or the email that you provided. And then when you enter that code back, they will let you create a new password for the associated account. It is as simple as that. If that is not the case and you're still having problems, then the only thing you can do is tweet at Team YouTube for help on Twitter. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.